Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how I escaped North Korea. The decision to leave was not made lightly, driven by a desperate hope for a better life. The initial steps involved careful planning and immense secrecy, as discovery meant severe punishment. My journey began by navigating treacherous terrain, often under the cover of darkness, relying on the kindness of strangers and sheer determination. It was a path fraught with peril, but the dream of freedom fueled every step. The escape route typically involves crossing the Tumen River, a natural border with China. This river, though narrow in parts, presents significant dangers, especially during winter when the ice is thin. Many rely on intermediaries or smugglers, who, for a fee, guide defectors through the initial stages. However, these arrangements are often unreliable and can lead to further exploitation. The constant fear of being caught and repatriated looms large. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot. And on another note, after a long journey or even just a busy day, you want your food to stay fresh and secure. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your meals organized and delicious. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once in China, the journey is far from over. Many defectors continue south, often through countries like Laos, Vietnam, or Thailand, seeking a path to a third country. The ultimate goal for many is South Korea, which offers citizenship and support for resettlement. However, adapting to a completely different culture and economic system can be incredibly challenging. It requires immense resilience to build a new life from scratch.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.